All right, so now the next thing is you fold it together and top stitch. All right, so our Zara base is ready. Okay. So now the next thing I will do is I will need my needle and thread. Okay, I'll need my needle and thread. So now the next thing is I want to start my folding. Okay, now you are going to start it immediately after the plinth, after the, what do I call this, after the pleat. Okay, that's immediately after the band. Okay, so you just, so you put it in and out. Okay, so I'm now going to drag it. So I'm just going to drag it to form the step, or is yeah, this to be in this shape. So you double your thread. So I double it because you know we're going to be dragging it. So if your thread is not very if you don't double it, it's going to, it may cut, it will cut. So I will still refix it again. I want it to be very firm. Okay. Alright, so I'll come here and tie it well. So just make sure you tie it as many times as possible. So our Zara base is ready. The next thing is any decoration you want to do on it, you do it. So let me just show you what we have. All right, so our Zara base is ready, guys. If you've watched to this point and you're yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Invite other people to subscribe, share these videos with others. All right, so my Zara base is ready. So this is what I have. So any other decoration I want to do on it, I will just do it. So this is how my Zara base will look like. So if I want to do anything to it, if I want to add anything, I add. If I want to add ribbon, I add whatever I want to add. Okay, so thank you so much.